Alright y'all, so we're in the clearance aisle today. They got a ton of markdowns, so we're gonna just take a look and kind of see what we can find. I can get that for Taylor just because of the fact that it's so cheap. Wait for those boys to go down a little bit. These things go down like 50 bucks. It'll be worth it. Ooh, oh my gosh, look at that. That's what I'm talking about. How much y'all gonna charge me? 100 bucks for the fees? Okay. Oh shit. My bad.
That says $25.
You can get one probably. This one looks okay, right? These look like shit. We can definitely get one for 25 bucks. I can do that. These are 15 bucks for the activity tables. 15 bucks. What is this? Look at this big dig. There's no way this is 15 bucks on Amazon. I knew it. What does it say? One FBA offer. 56.25. Not that bad at all.
You're gonna have to get another cart.
Hey, a dime. Ooh, 2 dimes. I'm rich. Let me scan this barcode real quickly.
Yeah, that was a different dinosaur fishing one. Yeah.
Fishing. Gone fishing game.
Heck yeah, we're gonna have to get a couple of those.
Yeah, those ice cream makers just went down to a good enough price to where we're gonna get them now. They're 75 a piece now. Oh, let me see. I didn't see this one. Let me scan this one.
Audit crazy. I was trying to see what this was. It's a game, but it's $368. I don't know what it used to be.
I'm not gonna be fooled today. Oh, they're $6. Are we in Roy City? These are $6. They're $6. Oh my God, y'all, let's go. I'm going $17.99. I've already been selling them for $21.99. I know that they're gonna go for. I'm getting all of them. god, dude, we are totally redeeming ourselves. That was so embarrassing last time. And they didn't want to do shit about it either. That's how we do it around here. Sleazy style. $34.95. 15. Alright, so we're about to try the scan and go for the first time. We just got it on Britt's phone here, so we're gonna try it out. Let's see. We gotta figure out how many of these things we have, so. So there's 40 there. So there's 40 of those. So let's try that. Scan this. 40. 40? Boom. Scan this one. 250. Scan this. Eight. I think that's everything, right? That's it? Let's go. Ooh, it's cold. Oh, wait. Britt's stacking them so much nicer than me. There we go, I tried. Whew. Alright. Sheesh! High five. Mission accomplished, baby. Alright, so we're just going to go through this haul from the past couple trips here. First up, we got these Transformers Optimus Prime toys. We got these for 20 bucks a piece. We're going to list these for $42 on Amazon. Next up, we've got this Big Dig down here. We got these for $15 a piece. We've got 2 of those. And we'll list these for $56 on Amazon. After fees, it's about $16.81 in profit. Next up, we got this Hayden tea kettle here. We got this guy for $35, and we're going to list this for $85 roughly on Amazon. After fees, we're going to get about $25 in profit, so super happy with that find. Next up, we got this WWE Mattel wrestling ring. We got this thing for $9.42. We're going to list this thing on Amazon for $24.64. Next up, we got these 2 Thomas the Train tracks here. I've been waiting for these things to go down. They were $20 a piece, and we're going to list these on Amazon for $48. So after fees, we're going to get about $7.29 or so in profit off of each one of those. Another really good lick I've been waiting for is this Tamagotchi here. We got this thing for $30. It'd been $40 for like forever, and finally they took it down to $30. We're going to list this on Amazon for $74.99. So after fees, it's about $28 in profit. Next up, we got these 3 Minions here. These guys were $3.74 a piece. We're going to list these on Amazon for $14.94 a piece, locking in around $3.82 in profit a unit. All right, so next we got these 2 Nerf guns here. We're going to list these for about $10.98 a piece, and they were $2 a unit. So profit is going to be $2.19 a unit on those, a little over 100% ROI. All right, so we got this Shakespeare reel here. This guy was $15, and we're going to list it on Amazon for $34.95. After fees, we're going to take home about $10.19 in profit. So we found this little guy here. It was $2, and we're going to list it on Amazon for $13.63. That's going to lock in $5.82 in profit off of this unit. And back here, we've got this Ninja Creamy Ice Cream set. As you saw earlier in the video, the first time we went to that Walmart, it was $120, and they marked it down to $75. So I had to snag one that was in good shape. We're going to list this guy on Amazon for $225. We're locking in $97.42 in profit off of that. Next up, we got these Ryan's Fizz and Dig surprise kits. We got 3 of those, which you can see Taylor already found his way into one. We got these for $10 a piece, and we're going to list these for around $32 or so on eBay. So pretty happy with that. We found one of these Pelican Explorer cycles. We got this guy for $25. So it's marked down from $150 to $25. So I could probably sell that on eBay for at least $100 or so. And finally, we redeemed ourselves with these Atami shower heads. These guys were $6 a unit. The tag says $7, but we scanned it with the app and it came up $6. We used the scan and go for the first time, and we bought 40 of these joints for $6 a piece. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Sleazy style. So we're going to list these for $19.99 a unit, and we're going to average $7.14 in profit a unit times 40.
You sounded very aggressive.
That sound really aggressive? All right, so we got quite a bit of profit here. I don't know exactly how much right off the top of my head, but I'm going to post a screenshot of the calculation just so y'all see exactly how much we pulled from this haul. All right, y'all, thank you so much for watching. That's it for this video. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next, and as always, take it sleazy. Peace. Love, Zach Sparkman.
Yeah, I get the bag. That's on me. Walking